Okay, I just wanted to talk for just a moment here about using the Garrett Gold Master to look for micro jewelry. I really like looking for gold, and I don't care what it looks like. It's a gold nugget or a gold earring. And these machines are actually superb for looking for earrings and small jewelry. The only issue you can run into on some of these beaches is you get a lot of magnetite, a lot of black sand, especially like Hawaii or somewhere. The machine will overload, and so I want to show you briefly what that does and how to deal with it. Okay, we just want to display how the overload works on the Garrett Gold Master here. We've got it all the way up at full sensitivity of 10. We're going to lower it to the ground. And you get this horrible buzz. So lower the sensitivity, couple here down to 8. Still buzzing. I'm going to go down a couple more to 6. Okay. That's it. If you get that overload indicator, simply reduce the sensitivity until it stops doing that. And now you've got your optimum setting, that or maybe even a little lower. Okay, so the machine will overload. You simply lower the sensitivity until it stops doing that, and then maybe even take it down a notch lower. The thing here is too much sensitivity will actually hurt you, so make sure you get the sensitivity down enough for the machine to be stable. The Garrett Gold Master has a feature called the self-adjusting threshold, or SAT. What it does is smooths out the audio. A low setting will have kind of a slower, jumpier audio. You increase the setting and it smooths that out. So it does help in areas where you do find the machine reacting to the ground in a jumpy fashion. We'll display that for you here. Okay, what I've got here is a SAT setting of low. And as I run it over the ground, the machine is kind of jumpy. So we're going to hold the little tune button down and increase it to a high level. There's low, medium, high. And now you still get a little chirp, but it's smoothed it out. That's a trade-off. You'll get a little less depth, but a little smoother operation.